Hi, boys and girls. This is your math game. So I need you to find a cube. Now, it doesn't have to be a school cube. It could be a block from your playroom, anything that's shaped like a cube. So kind of think on that. If you can't find a cube, use something different. A quarter, a toothpick, a Lego, anything that you have around the classroom. Or not the classroom, your pretend classroom, your house. I happen to bring some of these home. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about length, and we're going to measure some different things in your house, okay? So you're going to find a pair of scissors, all right? So I've got my scissors right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cubes and I'm going to stack them end to end like this until I figure out how long my pair of scissors are. So I'm stacking them. I'm going to check. So here I go. I got to figure out. There we go. Okay. I'm going to see. So I'm going to put this on top. And look, do you see how the tip of my scissors is hanging over a little bit right here? So I need to add another cube. So I'm going to add another one. Okay. And I'm going to set it down. And now check it out. If I put them on top of each other, it matches perfectly. So I'm going to count how many cubes long my scissors are. So, okay, here are my cubes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to write this down on a piece of paper that my scissors were 8 because I didn't print this page for you and you don't need to fill it in on the Google Doc. If mommy and daddy are here and they can help you do that, that's great. Otherwise, just write it down. Your scissors were 8 cubes. Now they also want you to measure that same thing, the scissors, with a paper clip. You're not going to believe this, but in my whole house, I only found one paper clip. So this is going to be a little bit tricky for me, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up my scissors and I'm going to take the paper clip and I'm going to move it. So one paper clip and then I put my finger there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My computer's falling off my lap. 6. And look, you can't really see right there. I got to go one more for 7. So my scissors are 8 cubes long and 7 paper clips long. Now, if you happen to have a bunch of paper clips, you could just lay them in a row and put your scissors down next to them and then see how many paper clips they are. I can't believe I only have one paper clip. That is cuckoo crazy. So you're going to do this for a pair of scissors. You're going to measure a pencil, a book, a crayon, and some glue. So again, use what you have. Check it out. You're just checking to see how long things are. See if you can figure out which one of those things is the longest, which one's the shortest. Maybe you already have a prediction before you even start measuring it. Okay? All right. Can't wait to see what you do.